So hello guys, we are back again with the other video. So basically in this video I will teach you this how you guys can do some copy trading of the whale wallet. First of all, if you are new to this channel, make sure you guys like and show me some support. You guys are showing me so much support that we reached to 500 subs like in days, so very quickly. So yeah, we can reach to 10k very quickly guys. Then we have a community group, and yeah, so this is my first roadmap and our first goal. So let's see. Yeah, so first of all you need to see the wallet potential. Let's see the wallet potential. For example, I have just marked the 100. It's the same wallet that I am following on my main account, and it's the same wallet that I provide you in my wallet video. So first of all we will open the assassin wallets. Let's check what he is holding. He is only holding like $10,000, and yeah, so we need to copy his address. Like 1 minute ago he just placed the trade on the flame, and he is already up like $933, and maybe his capital was the $1,000, and that's why. So you need to just come here. Sorry, let's check how much he just buy flame. Okay, so he is buying in bulking. So basically he is copy someone trading, and he is not doing currently trading. He is just copying trading basically because he have good capital right now. So yeah, if you have the like $10,000, then you can do copy trading. Otherwise do your own strategy, and there is no such strategy for the meme coin. You need to also make your or create your own strategy. So first of all we will copy his address and just add to the Trojan on Solana. So this is the Solana bot, Trojan on Solana, and then you just go to the copy, just press the new, and just target wallet, and they are showing me the wallets. So I will click on the add, then I will click on the yeah, so I will click on the new wallet, and then I will click to the set the tag first. So I will just assassin. So this is the assassin wallet. Then I just need to the target wallet. I just paste the target wallet and enter. So right now he is saying the thing. So first of all, yeah, so when you just assign the tag, then you need to target address. To paste the address you need a target wallet. So basically in my case I have the assassin's wallet, and yeah, I just paste it. So I enter the address. So enter the percentage of the target by amount to copy trade. So first, for example, if I just see the buy percentage, so enter the percentage of the copy trade. For example, if he buy with the 1 Solana, so my position will be like I have low capital, so I will do like 0.4 sol. Yeah, so my amount will be 0.4, and copy sell. Yeah, so I will just copy and sell, and yeah, so right now I will just do is activate. So right now it's activate, and yes, so he is just buying the coin. I have no you can say balance right now in the account, so that's why he is just not showing me anything, and he's saying the insufficient funds, and that's why. So how to close this? I just go back, and just go back more back, and just go to the copy trade option again, and just pause all. When you pause all, just click on the any wallet that you have here, then just delete, and then just you need to do like pause all again, and yeah, so there is no trade you have left. So this is the thing that you need to see in the like copy trading also. So right now we have no wallet, and yeah, so this is the first strategy. Second one is very simple. It's a beginner friendly, and it's very easy. You need to go to the GMGN. If you are following the various wallet like this one, you need to go to the follow page and just click on the following icon. You can see he is buying, and then just click on the copy buy. You can already place your position right now like this one. For example, if you need more detail, you can click on the filter tab. If, for example, if the whale buy if a whale is very bullish, like they're investing like thousands of dollars, then just click on this and then apply. You will see that if they see a bullish coin right now, just copy and just check the coin in the new tab, like on the GMGN. Also you can see or Photon. For example, in my case I will use Photon. It will give me a faster overview as compared to the GMGN. So yeah, so it will show me the coin status and something like that. So if I just copy the order, so you will see what it will do. Like he buy from like 5 sol. Let's convert the 5 sol into USD. Yeah, it's like $1,000. So he invests basically $1,000, and see the coin is right now pumping. And this is the live proof how you guys copy a good whale address. And if you invest like your $100, it will make only like your 200 or something like that, but he is invest like $1,000, so he just he will do like easily $2,000. So just see the potential, like how they are buying in the bulk, and how they are so much bullish. And yeah, so right now let's check the if they just let's see the how is the trade going. So if we see the strategy he use, he just plays a trend line like that, and waiting for a breakout structure. So yeah, so ignore this because it's the price that just meme coin has so much high volatility, so that's why it's happened, the spike on the candle. And we just see if we just potentially break out like this thing. Yeah, so good. So let's check what is happening right now. And he just okay, so he also buy another coin. No, the 80% will just buy this, and he also buy with this coin. So let's click on the Photon again. So he is already down right now something, and let's paste another key address. So right now they are buying the agent coin. See, the agent coins are trending one. I just tell you that these coins are very trending, and yeah, it's a possible. So oh my god, this is very good coin. I just found a hidden gem. So let's see his action workflow, online meeting. Okay, oh my god, this thing is so big, bro. Cloud. Okay, so I found the hidden gem. So basically this is a hidden gem coin. And yeah, so let's see the holders. So basically the holders are so many, and the depth is holding like 6.71%. and let's paste the address. You guys can take a trade right now on the agent station. I think it's a good buy right now, and the whale is also buying the thing. Let's go to the duck check and just paste the address right now. I will place the address right here. Okay, so basically it's saying that it's danger. Okay, so don't place the trade right now. Just let's see. So see if the whale just make money on the risky coin. Basically the reason is this, why it's showing the danger. Basically it's right now have the market cap of 84k. When it just move to the radium, liquidity will be locked and everything will be locked, and the holder percentage, and the radium is holding the most amount of this money. And yeah, so this is the strategy. Just wait for it and see if it reach to like 100k market cap, or like 200k, 1 million market cap, and then buy this coin. I just do some like swing trades or something like that. Basically the website is very good. And let's see the pricing is very similar. Yeah, so I will just do just copy the address, and let's see. So see, there are many whales that are buying right now, and this is the right time to execute the trade. He is already up. So this is the full proof, how you guys see they have fast buy and sell order. Basically they have like a very professional they are very professional in the meme coin, because they know the culture. and that's why there is thousands of their dollars. And I don't want you guys to lose money. For example, if the trade just go not is in his direction, he will basically lose all his money. And just see, let's see, it's like, see, he just make like invested in 9.8, yeah, 19.8 sol, and make just 20.87 sol, like $100 like in seconds. So basically the thing is, they have huge capital, guys, and you guys like you guys don't have any capital. So this is the thing that I am telling you, do not waste anything on these type of coin, and do not in the meme coin you need a higher capital. So basically, for example, let's see this trade, how is this trade will go. So my strategy is not working right now here, because the trade momentum is very like you can say the difficult right now, and the momentum is showing a downward trend. So I will just delete all the trend line and see, let's see what happened. So if he plays the trade here, he is already, let's see the range. Okay, I always just don't know where the fuck I just place the price ranges. Yeah, so if he just place the trade here, he is already like 8.54%. and if he just managed to do something, like if he invested like his $1,000, it just become like easily like do some crazy like 5k, yeah, easy peasy 5k. So this is this thing that no one is telling you. They just say that you buy a shit coin and just hold it and it will go to the moon. It's not happening, and it's not real, guys. See, the trend is for the short term, and many of the traders are in the good position. Like for example, where the 80% whale, and let's see his position right now. So no one is perfect, guys. Even the whale just lose so many money and then they become a whale. Let's see, I will need to go back. So this is it for the video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and follow me for more, and we will make more video like this. And thank you, stay tuned for more. And yeah,